that it? Yeah, that's it right there. Hold on, let me still get it. Let me still go focus in. You know that.
Jesus, God, I'm looking at this. I can't believe it. It's not a. It's not a whistle now. Did y'all
Oh
see?
my God, there's more coming.
Look at this,
What
my
is
God.
it?
What is
Planes
that
don't
in the
look that
sky?
color.
Okay, look, we can't 100% say that we have witnessed what we think that we may have witnessed. You know, we can't say it with 100% certainty, but I don't want y'all to be fooled. I think that we have witnessed what we are afraid we may have witnessed. I think that we have actually witnessed contact with non-human intelligence. Um, Make no mistake about it, there are a lot of reports that include just regular drones, and some not so regular drones. You know, there are people flying their own drones, you know, because the hype is all about right about now, you know what I'm saying? It's the hype thing to do, and you want to be seen, you want to be a part of it, you want to see what's going on. And there's also military drones or private companies that are contracted to the military. Their drones are up. Um, but I think that's just to muddy the waters of what we may have just witnessed. I think that we have just witnessed contact of non-human intelligence. And I repeat, every drone picture that you see now, every picture that you see now is not it. You know, that's maybe uh, either private drones or agency drones. So do not get that twisted. Those drones are up there, but there are videos out there that you can look for and see, whereas that's non-human intelligence, ladies and gentlemen. That's non-human intelligence, or what we used to refer to as aliens or UFOs. And I think it's going to be more coming. It's more coming. You know, you all can call them whatever you want to call them. You can call them aliens if it make you feel good. You can call them angels if that make you feel good. But we've made contact, and I think there's going to be more contact. Do not get it twisted that the waters are being muddied now with uh, uh, regular drones and not so regular drones. But let me tell you, as someone who has been military, who has been a military contractor, who has been law enforcement, all of this is not just drones made by man. If you do your work and you look through these videos that are available, you will see things that are not created by man, created by human. I don't care what type of technology we have, we did not make that. And they're going to try to muddy that water for whatever reason so that they can come back later and be like, look, you know, you all did not see what you thought you saw. You only saw our drones. We're sorry that our drones frightened you. No. That's not the only thing that we saw. We saw some other stuff. You feel me? So like I said, military contractor, law enforcement, whatever. I know that even if those are our drones, and our meaning the military or contractors contracted to them, they're breaking all types of laws. They're going outside of the FAA. What is the reason for that? You do not train in that manner. We do not train in that manner in residential areas and continuously for weeks on end. That is not how the military trains. The other theory out there that they're looking for radioactive materials from something that was either stolen or lost. That doesn't quite smell right either. For one, a representative from the Department of Energy said that if they were looking for radioactive material, it would be much more effective to search on the ground because it's hard to detect from the air. So the story's not quite smelling right. It's not quite smelling right. But we're going to pay attention. We're going to see if it's going to keep going on or if it's going to go away. And then later they're going to come with that story of, don't worry, you all just witnessed our drones doing training. Nah, that's not what it was. That is not what it was. This your people. 904 DZ 904. Look for me, I'm going to look for you.